This video walks you through how to use the workload view in monday.com. Start from the board where you want to track assignments across your team. Along the top of the board, look for the row of existing board views. Next to those tabs, click the plus button. This opens the menu where you can add another way to look at the same board data without changing the items already in place. From that menu, choose Explore More Views. This takes you into the View Center, where monday.com groups available views by type. If the panel takes a moment to load, wait for the list of view options to appear before continuing. You are looking for the section labeled Essentials, since that is where the workload view is located. In the Essentials section, find Workload, then click Open in Board. Monday.com will add the workload view to your current board and open its setup window. At this stage, you are connecting the view to the columns that will define who is responsible for work and when that work is scheduled. When the configuration options appear, choose the People column that contains the team members assigned to each item. Then select the timeline or date columns you want the view to use. This is an important detail because the workload view depends on both the person assignment and the time range to display work correctly. Make sure you pick the columns that match the board you are working with, especially if there is more than one date-related column available. You can also adjust the workload capacity settings if needed. This controls how much work each person can handle within the selected time frame, which affects how the view highlights distribution across the team. If your board already follows a specific planning structure, set the capacity to match that structure before moving on. Once those selections are in place, click Done to generate the view. After the view is created, you can use it to monitor how work is spread across your team. Each person's assignments appear in relation to the selected dates or timeline, so you can review who has a heavier workload and who has more room available. This is where the view becomes useful for planning since it gives you a direct way to compare assignments across the team without leaving the board. As you review the layout, look for overloaded team members and underutilized ones. If someone has too much scheduled work during a given period, you can use that information to rebalance assignments on the board. If another person has lighter coverage, you can shift work accordingly. The workload view helps you spot those patterns so you can make adjustments based on what the board is showing. Your monday.com board now has a workload view configured to track and rebalance team assignments.